How to install ffmpeg. Easy tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install ffmpeg on Windows. So first thing we need to do it is go to ffmpeg.org. After that, I will click download here. For me, I'm using Windows. I will choose the Windows icon. If you are using the Mac, use the Mac. And if you are using the Linux, use or click the Linux. So for Windows users, choose this. The second one. After that, you need to uh, choose this one, the GPL version. I will click on it and the download is started here. Okay, so after the download is finished, I will go to the downloads, and right now I need to go to the C, for example, and I will choose another folder and I will put the name ffmpeg. Sorry, ffmpeg. After that, I need to go to the downloads and I need to choose copy and go to the C and go to the file that we already created, and I will choose here paste. Okay, so after that I will choose it. I will click the right and I will choose extract here. The file right now it's in zip, so we finished that. So I need to download this one because we don't need it anymore. After that, I will open it, go to the bin, and I will uh, to copy those, copy, go to ffmpeg and paste them here. Paste. Right now, I need to delete this folder. So right now, we need to do something. So go to the search bar on Windows and type edit the system environment. So right now we need to copy this this path here, copy, and go here to the system properties, and we choose environment variables, click on it, and we go to the path, double click on path, new, and we paste the path that we already copied. Okay, and then we will click OK, OK, and OK. So right now the ffmpeg is installed. So to make sure the ffmpeg is installed, we go to the command prompt and we type ffmpeg and we click enter. And as you can see here, this information that's showing, this is the proof that ffmpeg is already installed. So this is how to install ffmpeg on Windows. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends and hit the like button. Thank you.